gonna be rocking, man. Spectre Soul, Icicle, Perez, mate.
Alex Perez is happening tonight.
Hi, we're the Prototypes.
I love this moment.
Hi, we're Spectre Soul, and we're at the Way of the Warrior launch party at Cable.
The thing that makes these Shogun nights so special is the crowds that come here. Everyone's ahead, everyone's here for the music, everyone's a Shogun fan. They know their beats and they know their stuff.
The thing about Shogun nights is all of us who work for Shogun are all mates, so we all come down here and we're all here. We're not just here to DJ and work, we're here to have a good time as well, so we want to make it good. So we all come down and we all are competing to play the best tunes. Like today, for example, we've all been ringing each other saying, oh, what tunes have you got, what tunes have you got?
We've got a few little special bits, a few little exclusives that we want to test out. That's the great thing, you can try things out here if the crowd are up for it. We've got a few little album bits of ours that we're going to test out. Yeah, just take it from there, I guess.
Rockwell, a little bit hoarse, a little bit ill. We're down at Cable for Shogun Way of the Warrior launch. What makes this special compared to any other night, it's like, this is our night, this is our home now. This is where we do the biggest night, where all the Shogun boys get together and do their thing. And it's always absolutely ram-jammed. It's unbelievable. Every time I just think, oh, you can't fit any more people in there, the queue can't get any bigger. Then, I mean, I got down here at 12, it was already at capacity and there's another like 400 people stood in the queue. It's just nice to play to a receptive crowd that just knows the tunes, knows what you're about, rather than going into a place where they're expecting drum and bass and you might not really be what they're looking for. But yeah, I love playing down here. Long may it continue.
How am I supposed to try? How am I supposed to try?
Easy people, we're the Prototypes and we're at Shogun Audio at Cable, London.
Obviously the night speaks for itself, like the lineup speaks for itself, but I think the club as well, it adds to the vibe, like the little archways, it's quite close knit.
It's just going to be pure mash-up, end of the night set basically, just bass in your face, rip it out, proper. You know, one for the ravers.
Yeah, it's a big one for us because we're on after Calix and TB and like we both properly respect them.
Oh, there's always one. There's always one. This is the other third member. Hi, we're the Prototypes.
Peace. I love techno.
Yo, this is Friction, Drum Bass Arena. We are here at Cable in London at the end of Shogun Audio, and it has been an unbelievable night. It's the Way of the Warrior launch. Everything has gone to plan. It's a great night. Everyone's had fun. Lots of people tried to get in. People that got in had a good time. Just glad to be here, man.
How am I supposed to try?